Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a Doogee's brand new V20 5G flagship smartphone. This is a rugged smartphone with a 1.05 inches rear mini display. In this review, we will be going through with the build quality, overall performance, camera and audio quality. If you fancy getting one, please check the product link including the giveaway details in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get started. In terms of the unboxing concern, you do get a V20 smartphone, glass screen protector, some paperwork and cleaning wipes, a SIM ejection tool, Type-C to Type-A adapter, Type-C charging cable and last 33-watt fast charger. Let's get into the design and the specifications. Doogee V20 is mainly focused on customers who are looking for premium hardware specifications as well as heavy duty and rugged designs for outdoor use without losing all those high specs. Because of that reason, Doogee managed to achieve a perfect combination of quality and performance with this V20 smartphone. Well, moving with the build quality, you can see the thick rubber layer protecting all the corners. This V20 is finished with military grade material and has a carbon fiber finish back. This phone is available in 3 different colors. It measures about 170.5 by 81.2 by 14 mm and weight is about 296 grams. On the right side, you can see the volume up and down, the power key with an inbuilt fingerprint scanner, and on the left side, you can find the SIM card tray and the custom key. Having said that, you can use 2 SIM cards or use 1 SIM and an SD card with this smartphone. On the bottom, you can see the microphone, speaker, and last the Type-C charging connector protected with the seal. In front, you can see the hole punch design front camera, indicator light, and a receiver. And last back of the phone, you can see the camera module with the flash and a mini display. In terms of the hardware, this V20 is powered by Dimensity 700 octa-core 7nm CPU with up to 2.2 GHz clock speed. Also, thanks to the ARM NATT MC2 GPU and inbuilt 8GB RAM, you can play decent games without slowing down the phone and can run multiple apps at the same time. In terms of the storage, this V20 comes with massive 256GB internal storage and you can expand the memory up to 512GB using a micro SD card. Also, you can use either 2 SIM cards at the same time or use 1 SIM and an SD card with this smartphone. When it comes to the built-in hardware sensors, this V20 has rapid charge, sound amplifier, G sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, compass, gyroscope. This is a Geekbench CPU test result if anyone is interested. When it comes to the battery, this V20 comes with 6000 mAh large battery. It supports 33W PD fast charging and 15W wireless charging. With provided 33W PD fast charger, you can fully charge this phone within 1 hour and 30 minutes. It has 18 days standby time, or you can use it for about 2 to 3 days on average use once it's fully charged. Moving on to the display, you get 6.43 AMOLED FHD DotDisplay protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for durable use. You can experience rich vibrant colors with these, and also it comes with 2400 by 1080 resolution display with 409 ppi pixel density. Furthermore, it has a screen refresh rate of up to 60Hz and has a rapid response beta transmitters and a brightness peak of 500 nits for the truly immersive visual experience. So this is a perfect screen to watch your favorite content on the go, browse the internet or play games. Also, you can clearly see the screen when using outdoors.
I pray they will never come where she has to fight. But you know, a scorpion must sting, a wolf must hunt. She is a child, the only child on...
For Furthermore, you get 1.05 inches touch mini display on the back, which will allow you to see the time, remaining battery, answer calls or see the messages alerts, and last control your music. This mini display comes with 5 different themes preloaded with this V20 smartphone. You can enable double tap to wake or flip to wake up the screen. Moving on to the camera, you get Samsung 16 megapixel front face camera with f2.0 for perfect selfies. Also, it supports up to 1080p video recording. Back you can see the triple camera setup with 2 infrared night vision lights and 2 rear flashes. Then you get 64 megapixel main camera with f1.8 and field of view of 90 degrees. Again 8 megapixel wide angle camera with f2.2 and field of view of 130 degrees. And last 20 megapixel Sony night vision camera with f1.8 and field of view of 80 degrees. When it comes to the rear camera video, it supports up to 2K video recording. With the camera app, you can capture HDR, portrait, night modes, panorama, and even you can use Pro mode with custom settings. So thanks to the large main camera sensors and the ultra-wide camera, this phone is perfect to use to capture everyday casual photographs, especially in outdoors. Let's quickly check some samples taken by this V20 smartphone. When it comes to the network and connectivity, you will get a dual 5G connection, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC supports for Google Pay and inbuilt GPS. Moving on to the software, this phone comes with Android 11 installed and GUI is very smooth and user-friendly to navigate. Also, you can get the control panel simply by swiping top to bottom. With this, you can enable or disable all the main options easily. Furthermore, same as other Android devices, you can customize the main screen with widgets. You do get some useful apps installed with the smartphone like outdoor tools. With this, you do get a comprehensive virtual toolkit which is helpful when working, especially if you are in the construction field. Also, you do get a sound recorder, game space, and even a children's space. With this, you get a full control of what app you want to enable and even decide the time duration to use the phone. When it comes to the phone security, you do get a fingerprint and FaceID as unlock option. The fingerprint sensor is combined with the power button and has 0.18 second response time. However, both Face ID and fingerprint unlock work smoothly. Moving on with multiple user access, you can create a completely different profiles allowing another person to use this smartphone independently. Another great feature I must mention is the dedicated custom button. With this, you can program the custom button to do whatever you want, such as customizing it, take a picture or open a specific app. And finally, Doogee V20 maintained the most optimal operating temperature using the solid liquid gas cooling system, proven to have 100% thermal conductivity over the thermal paste. So this will help to control the heat when you use heavy multitask performance or play games. This phone is rated as IP68 water and dust proof. Also, this is drop proof from a height of 1.5 meters and can be survived in extreme temperature conditions. With that all being said, my honest opinion about this smartphone is this is a perfect rugged smartphone, especially for outdoor use. Things I like about this smartphone is the rugged finish and the decent screen thanks to the AMOLED display. Also, adding that extra rear mini display is an extra plus point and very useful. Main importantly, inbuilt battery will last this phone for days. When it comes to the cons, which I can see the camera viewfinder and capability to read messages through the rear mini display. and last, optical image stabilization on the camera. Apart from those I mentioned above, this is a great smartphone, especially for the price. So you can't go wrong with this. Well, this is the end of another review. If you like the content, once again, don't forget to hit the like and consider to subscribe to see more reviews like this. Well, see you again with another one and stay safe.